All right, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the dashboard brightness or your instrument panel brightness inside of your vehicle, car, truck, SUV, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to do that. Not only am I going to show you how to adjust the brightness, I'm also going to show you how to adjust it so you can have it dim. So maybe you don't want it as bright. I'm going to go over all of that. Now let's go ahead and get started with that. Now, when you're doing this, the controls in your individual vehicle may be different place from vehicle to vehicle, but essentially they're similar in the same place, or they have the same icon or symbol that demonstrates that it will be the brightness buttons for brightness dimming buttons for your vehicle. So let's get started. All right. So I'm in my vehicle right here. I have a Toyota. Some people call it Yoda. Some people call it Yoda. All right. So in this vehicle, what you'll do is you'll look down on the side and you see this button right here. This is the button for the brightness and dimming. Now my vehicle is currently on. I'm in park. You'll look for this symbol right here. It looks like a speedometer almost, with a sun coming down right here at the top. Let me get in closer so you can see that. Do you see that right there? It's a speedometer with a sun. And there's an arrow for up and there is an arrow for down. Now, if I press the up, you'll look on the instrument panel. Hold on, let me come on the dashboard. If I press up, you see it goes all the way up to where the sun is right here until it gets to the maximum, and then it stops right there. That's the maximum amount of brightness. Now, if I want to dim it or make it less bright, I'll come back over here to where this button is right here, and I'll press the down button right here. And look what happens on the dashboard instrument panel right here. It gets dimmer just like that until it gets all the way dim, all the way down. And then I can adjust it right here to the level that I want. All right, so that is how you adjust the dashboard brightness inside of your vehicle, car, SUV, truck, whatever you want to call it. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.